Another Campari drink?
Dude, this is like 3.
I don't even think people can handle this, can they?
I can't handle it.
It's Halloween, man.
Yeah, it's true. It's probably past Halloween, but it's true.
Well,
Cider,
season.
Campari. Tis the fucking season. Shit, I don't think I was supposed to swear.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Danny and Derek to show you how to make the Cider Sbagliato.
Cider.
Cider Sbagliato. I just want to say Sbagliato.
And what does Sbagliato mean?
Oh, God.
It
It was like,
means,
I haven't done the Sbagliato in like
Drink with
2 months.
shit.
I believe it means spurious, as in like fake, right?
So, if
Sbagliato?
you take a word like Sbagliato and you replace it with spurious, and then you expect me to still know what the fuck you're talking about?
Fake.
I feel like we're talking like pirates.
Dan, you can't drink that all, Dan. They need it for the drink.
I got another one.
Can't be crazy because tonight might be a get your shit together.
Get your shit together.
Get your shit together.
She's giving you a warning now.
I wear flip flops.
Oh, he's gonna have to make sure you get your shit together? Is that
Yes.
oh, okay.
That was the first time over here.
Well, eventually you will just pass out.
No.
Yeah.
No.
You're not gonna eventually just pass out?
It would only
You've
be-
changed your MO for the last 20 years?
Maybe.
In the last...
Maybe.
Okay.
Can you give me a blanket?
She has passed out. She takes the record for the most persons to pass out in this bar area, being the only one.
She will Irish goodbye in the middle of the room without leaving.
Goodbye. Boom.
Boom.
Yeah. I mean, she passed out right over there in the corner. I had to pick her up.
Express that
To
shit.
be fair,
Oh,
there's
it's
a
kinda-
lot here to try.
It's true.
Oh man.
You gotta wipe the, you didn't even wipe the rim?
What is happening?
There you go. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Now I
Is that
feel
good?
better.
You
Wow.
good?
Yeah.
I'm getting
I
hard.
like that.
Wow. I don't even know.
Needed a rib job.
That was like
If it's too bitter, if this drink is too bitter,
Yeah.
you can add a little small squeeze of lemon.
You can.
If it's too... What?
Did you stir
This
it?
thing is too bitter.
Wait, did you not stir it?
No.
You gotta stir it up a little bit.
Tastes like cider.
Yeah.
I would have said that regardless. Want lighter bitterness? Swap 1/4 ounce Campari with 1/4 or 1/2
I'm
ounce
done picking up
Aperol.
the cat.
Yeah, Aperol would have been better.
Only if you're
We
a
haven't
baby.
even tried it yet.
I know.
I just know Aperol's better.
I just took a big old swig regardless of what it was.
What does Sbagliato mean? Oh,
I
mistaken,
bet.
bungled, or wrong.
Mm.
Sorry, not fake.
You know they made the
Kind of
drink
the same.
to be, the drink was like a joke.
This?
No,
Sbagliato.
that's Sbagliato. Yeah. They basically, it was a bunch of influencers went to an event and the guy's like, what if we made a drink? And then everybody basically is like, oh my God, look at how popular like this drink is. Because it was like Coke and something, right? The first
I
one?
thought the one I've had.
Oh,
the one I had was just
the
like
Coke and red wine?
Yeah. No, I forgot what the first one was. But they literally, like, they were like, we're just going to see like how popular we can make this drink.
They're manufacturing popularity.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so they all went and made videos basically saying how like
Great.
unbelievable this drink was. And that like they couldn't believe like
Just to
how
see-
like it just spread.
to where everybody just demanded this drink.
Yeah.
That
Oh.
surprised them.
Negroni Sbagliato was the one I was thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
That's-
like the botched Negroni. Yeah.
No, but this was Liquor.com has it. It's real. I mean, I made it not too long ago.
No, but they like
It became
because it came popular and like
Right.
everybody like
This was
Took it
Campari-
out.
Manufactured the popularity.
yeah, they manufactured the popularity of it and like
neat trick.
the guy that so the whole beer recipe so that whatever the hell his what is it no bartender I don't know
Yeah.
what this thing is
the
but he was talking about it.
whatever the hell that's our name today.
Barricano.
Barricano.
It's pretty funny.
So
That's
all
pretty good.
a Negroni Sbagliato.
Jen, this isn't that. You can try this.
the
It's so
Sbagliato.
simple as shit.
The Sbagliato, you take the gin out and replace with sparkling water.
Right. So this one, instead of
You take the gin out.
gin out, you
It's not bad.
sparkling
So what do you do?
Yeah.
Let's take the gin out of everything.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's a bungled
It is.
Negroni.
Because it's good. It's a holiday,
It
except for
would
it's
be better
more
with-
bitter than last year.
It's a holiday. It's holiday.
It's a holiday. Oh, this tastes
It's
like real apple
holiday
cider.
season.
I wasn't expect. I've never had this before.
Mm.
Hey, you want to throw something at him? You can have this.
This is pretty.
It's pretty good.
This is pretty.
This
tasty.
is not bitter.
You're simple
Oh.
as shit.
Oh, it's more bitter than the other one.
And
No.
the other one was bitter.
No. Oh,
Look
that's
down below for the other one.
Maybe because I drink Campari too much now. that-
Yeah.
I don't think it's better.
See, Aperol is bitter, but it's still it's fine.
bitter.
I'm gonna tell this better.
Aperol is not bitter. Maybe a little bit.
Aperol bitter.
Aperol has to be bitter. It's
That's
in the
not
name.
as bad because of the cider.
Yeah.
But
See,
the
it's
other
toned
one
down.
had-
It's pretty sweet.
But the other one had the beer in it.
Yeah, but the beer isn't. That was pretty. I mean, it's bitter, but.
What was the other
I
one?
think the cider actually takes it down
Yeah,
more.
the cider does. Take
I think the
it
cider
down.
takes out like the
Because
bitterness
it's-
more.
That totally takes it down.
Because the cider is unfiltered. It's like it tastes like cider. Where the beer is like, first off, it's gonna have some bitterness in it. Not much.
Yeah, the beer's already kind of not like bitter, but
That's not a
So
real
they're
bitter
by
beer,
nature,
but
yeah.
it was
Yeah.
bitter, and it doesn't have a lot of other character to it. This brings character. The other one almost fills out the drink to give it like
Balance.
more. Yeah, this actually had like that. I've never had that before. It tastes like
It's
apple
back
cider.
For
Hmm.
pictures.
There.
Huh?
Or for
The lead in.
lead in.
Oh yeah, we can do
Yeah,
that.
it's back for lead in.
Ah.
Get it.
I didn't know you before.
Come get it. We're not bringing it to you.
If you want, come and get it.
So I would suggest you try this drink if you can get cider, which actually isn't that hard to do. I got a couple.
Especially this time of year.
Yeah, like especially right now. Yeah, I think you get cider all year round, but probably not
Yeah.
nearly as much. If you, now you find on the corners of all the shops.
Yeah, now it's everywhere.
Like,
Yeah.
everyone's gonna have end caps. Everybody's gonna have their cider.
I think it's good.
I'm
If you
starting-
kind of like Campari, but you're still on the fence.
This is a
Clean it
good
up, yeah.
introduction
Yeah.
to Campari, like because it doesn't aggravate you with that massive bitter bite that you get out of like a normal.
No, it's
Negroni?
probably more like Aperol. Campari's like
Yeah.
Aperol than this.
It has
Yeah.
flavor to it. Like Campari brings flavor. The problem is it's
Yeah.
always followed by a right hook to the testicles. This doesn't.
But
give
it's
you
good though. I don't
I
think
don't
it's
know.
that
I've
bad.
had hooks to the testicles before, and I prefer
like
Campari.
fish hooks.
you like Campari though.
Yeah.
Right,
But look, your holiday party,
dude.
you can have this, and around Halloween time, and you can watch the video that's like in one of these spots over there.
Let's see. If this was YouTube, I think it.
If
would
this
be
is, it's,
here. Right?
oh, is it going to be over
I
there?
think it.
It
goes
could be
over- I
like
think it
right
goes
where my
over-
finger is, but probably not.
Yeah.
But then
I can
you
probably
make the
poke it
devil's
there.
margarita
Right.
and this,
Oh,
and you cover your bases.
you got.
And your friends are like, "Who the fuck are you?" And you're like, "I'm fucking just amazing."
Yeah, you'd be like, I am a fucking home bartender.
Yeah.
Start tipping me, bitches.
Yeah.
You can make $3 off this.
And then everybody's going to look for you for
Right.
advice on drinks.
And think about it. With that $3,
Be ready for the burden
Yeah, you're going to become
It's coming.
important.
with great
Yeah.
power.
Yes.
That is true. There is some
Yeah.
legitimacy that if you start making drinks really well and people start liking them, they will invite you over to make drinks for them, and you don't get anything out of it.
Sometimes.
Unless,
So you never know.
unless you want to drink, and then you just
I mean, you never know.
partake it. Yeah,
I mean, right? It creates conversation
right. Eventually,
Wait.
everybody's gonna get nude.
with. If you make the drinks right,
Right.
right? You have to make them right.
That's the
Like,
home
take the
bartenders-
cider, fucking chuck that out. And
Right.
like,
Home bartenders. You
Either
should
nude or
all
passed out.
your
yeah,
goal.
yeah, either nude or passed out.
Right.
You have to figure out where that balance is.
Your goal is like, how do I get everybody at this party nude?
She heard passed out and she perked up.
Yeah.
That's how I know I'm right.
So there you go. That's it. Link below for the bartender circuit. I'm gonna put the link for whatever the latest Squeakies video is by this time. I don't know. We'll figure out what it's gonna be next. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.